crack it.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We from Group 5 will make video about our opinion about e-money. E-money is a form of digital money, where e-money functions to transfer the balance data contained in our e-money to a computer or sales information system, so that the goods we want are purchased without spending additional cash. There are various types of e-money circulating in Indonesia, as well as the institution that issue them and the best place to use them.
1. Types of e-money in Indonesia. In Indonesia, we know e-money in the form of cards and tokens. E-money in the form of card consists of prepaid card and card issued by certain banking institution. Meanwhile, e-money in the form of tokens can be in the form of a replica of a coin or a collection of images and writing attached to a person's smartphone. In general, e-money in the form of a prepaid card tends to have a much lower balance compared to e-money card issued by banks. However, e-money registration in the form of a prepaid card tends to be faster and shorter than e-money registration in the form of a card from a bank, which may require transaction verification within a certain time.
Among all banks in Indonesia, Bank Mandiri is the institution that issues the most e-money. Not only that, promotion and coverage of things that can be done with Mandiri e-money and e-cash. Another e-money in the form of a card from Bank Mandiri. After Bank Mandiri with its e-money and e-cash product, there is also BNI with Tap BNI and BCA with its flash card, which is uniquely designed for youth action. One of the most famous telecommunication companies with its e-money is Telkomsel with its T-Cash. Actually, we are free to store T-Cash in a wallet or other secure stock media or stick it on our cell phone. But it would be better to paste it in order to facilitate transaction with T-Cash, especially for EDC much highness that take time to read T-Cash data.
On the other, e-money in the form of tokens similar to coin to name trusted times, because the existence of e-money in the form of coin will make it easy for people to remember and needed to cherish. However, token connected to smartphone applications also make it easier for users to continue to get the latest text regarding news for adding or withdrawing balance or promotion that can be done with e-money. Governing Christian number smartphone uses in Indonesia. 2. Institutions that issue e-money. As mentioned in Division Point, the bank is one of the institutions that issue e-money, where e-money from the bank is always in the form of a card. In addition to banks, it turns out that there are several companies that issue virtual money that is integrated with decent information technology.
To find out which types of e-money are acceptable, it is important to check the label on the EDC machine. For example, the EDC machine for T-Cash from Telkomsel will have a red circle marked with a small t to read the serial number and balance contained in the T-Cash. There are times when we have not really entered a place that can accept e-money transactions. In this case, we still need to check the availability of e-money supported by the place. For example, for Indomaret, in certain areas, we will see a Mandiri e-cash or Mandiri e-money sign on the shop banners as a sign that the place has a machine that supports the relevant e-money.
Before transaction using money, it's a good idea to get recommendation on place with good central connection. This good central connection is evidenced by the rare error complaint experienced below a money user. In some situations, we can also try to transaction with other payment method, as well as try local Wi-Fi, estimate the speed and strength of the connection. Generally, places for using money like this are in the city center. The reason is that the downtown area has a lot to do with busy people, so a wide variety of money payment methods are available with faster connection than the average for similar place in the suburbs. That's all we need to know about e-money. Apparently, e-money is not only one type, but there are various. In addition, there are various types of institution and place that can use it. So it is guaranteed that we will be more enthusiastic in using money.